Look at these beauties. Clearly, I am super duper excited because these came from our backyard. We built a wonderful veggie garden and I'm so excited. I want to show you guys how easy and exciting it is to pick something from the backyard, come back in the kitchen, be inspired, right? I am inspired to make a very simple sun-dried tomato basil pesto sauce from these fresh basil. Pesto sauce that you can put on anything. Salmon, chicken. The other day, my lovely neighbor gave me homemade croutons, and I just straight up dunked the croutons into the pesto as a lovely snack. So stick around and watch how it all comes together super simply. Start by adding all your lovely fresh basil leaves into the food processor, just like this. Then, this is toasted, unsalted pine nuts. Then in goes toasted slivered almonds, 2 cloves of garlic, a generous pinch of kosher salt, fresh ground pepper, and a tablespoon of white vinegar. Sun-dried tomatoes, your favorite jar, about 3 heaping tablespoons will do. And here's half a cup of good quality olive oil. Secure the lid and make sure to pulse instead of letting it whirl. Like I said, super simple, easy, very versatile. Sun-dried tomato basil pesto. Follow us and hit the subscribe button, you guys. Take care.